Hey, what is up guys, I'm the electron alright. I can travel faster than the speed of light, as Einstein predicted, not in vacuum though, in dielectric materials. I get the flow. Electromagnetic waves on the way I emit. Cherenkov radiation, scientists name it. This also works when I don't move inside the matter. For beam diagnostics, this is even better, but the distance cannot be infinity. I have to travel in close vicinity. You may read about positrons in articles, or positively charged antiparticles. You can precisely measure the beam location, but you don't know who emits more radiation. Particles in the beamline, there might be 2 more. In total, we might even have a measurement of 4. Muons, both positives and negatives, are the electrons and positrons relatives. Even if you consider them contamination, they also emit Cherenkov radiation. Put a muon filter in the middle of the beam and there will no longer be an electron stream. Measuring the emission rate of the photon, a contamination estimated can be drawn.